Okay, from our last video, I clearly stated that we'll be giving you more videos on XERO accounting. And these videos are going to be specific. They're going to be specific to issues, problems faced by accountants in the use of different accounting software applications. Now, this afternoon, what I'm looking at is the fixed asset model in XERO accounting. Most times, accountants, when it comes to the issue of fixed assets, in the legacy softwares, the small softwares for small businesses, they basically use their manual journals to organize and post transactions for fixed assets, which includes the annual depreciation, disposal issues, and other issues relating to the fixed assets. But I'm going to show you this afternoon how XERO accounting has automated this process. And it will just take you a few minutes to organize your fixed assets and run your depreciation at a click of a button. Now, how do you do that? I'm logged into my XERO accounting right now. And so all I need to do is to go to my fixed asset module, all right? And that can be done by clicking on accounting and go down to under advanced, you see your fixed asset, right? Okay, this is my fixed assets module in XERO accounting. One good thing with this module is that you can import your transactions, as you can see the import button here, or you can manually add. Now, this afternoon, I'm going to manually add an asset and clearly show you how it works and the effect on the reporting so that you can see how you can automate your XERO accounting to run your depreciation either on a monthly basis or on an annual basis. You can select your depreciation method in such a way that you want to determine your depreciation on a monthly basis, or you want it to depreciate on daily basis. That is as per number of days that the asset has been used so that you can be more accurate. What method of depreciation are you using? Straight line, you're using balance, XERO accounting takes care of it. So let's go. All right, in this case, this is an example of what I've done in the past. So what I'm going to do is to add a new asset. This time around, I'm adding a motor vehicle. The asset name in this case is a motor vehicle. And the motor vehicle is call it a Toyota Corolla. The plate number is XC, this is J, this, all right? Now, the asset number, that is the fixed asset number in this case, has been automated. And we can always configure it to whatever you want, but it can be automated. Now, what is the purchase date? In an attempt to be able to demonstrate this effectively, I want to choose a very an earlier date. So I'm picking a date in 2020, same date today, 29th. All right, what is the purchase price as at then? I want to put the purchase price at 5 million, right? 5 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now there's going to be any warranty on it. When does that warranty expire? So I'll go back and say it expired in say October of 2020. All right, serial number DWA004. All right, what's the asset type? All right, you can see that I've created a motor vehicle. And if the asset type is not there, you can always create a new asset type. At the point of creating the new asset type, that is where the work is. At this point, you are putting your asset type. In this case, let me create a new asset type. Let me call this building. All right. Now, what is the asset account for building? Okay, so we create the asset account for building. In this case, I have to go back to my chart of account and create building as a ledger in my chart of accounts as part of the asset ledger. And also you create the accumulated depreciation, the depreciation expense. Then you select the depreciation method for that particular asset. Then the averaging method is on full month on actual days, and you put the depreciation rate, and you are good to go. All right, because I've already created this, I'll come back here and select motor vehicle. Right, because I've created all the accounts, you can see that it's automatically populating the relevant account, the asset account, the accumulated depreciation, and the depreciation expense account. All right, and if you come down here under the book value here, you see the depreciation start date is 29th August 2020. That's 1 year after date of purchase. Then, because for motor vehicle, I've selected straight line method as the depreciation method, so it's maintaining that. All right, I want it on full month, not on actual days. And my rate for motor vehicle here, I will put 25%. That's 4 years. On the other hand, you can as well put the effective life, say 4 years. But in this case, I want it on percentage, and so I'll be putting 25%. 25%. Now you can see here the depreciation start date for this asset is before the fixed asset start date of 1st January 2022. All right. All right. So is there any accumulated prior? No. So with this information I have, I want to create and register this asset. So let's see what's going to happen. Yes, this asset has been registered. Now, because this asset has been registered, look at what we have here. Look at what we have. Now, this is the purchase date, this is the purchase price, and the book value. The system has automatically depreciated the older years. All right. Now, let's open it up and see what the system has done. Right. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to run your depreciation, once you have registered the asset, what you need to do is to come to run depreciation, as you can see on the screen. You click on run depreciation from when to when. All right. Now you can see that the motor vehicle already has a book amount of this. That is the depreciation, and this is the depreciation expense, and this is the accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account. So I'll click on confirm. Right. Depreciation is now current up to 28th of February of 2022. Okay, so how, based on what we've done now, let's look at what is the effect of the depreciation that has been done on our reporting. And let's go to reports so that you can see how XERO accounting has fully automated the depreciation process and fixed asset monitoring process. Okay, let me look at my P&L. Okay. Okay, now can you see you have depreciation here automatically calculated into your operating expenses. Okay, so let's click on it and see what the system has done. Right, now you can see the depreciation, because we want it to calculate depreciation on monthly basis. And so every month, when your management account is being prepared, then Once it's done, your depreciation can always be computed, and it will form part of your financial. So you don't need to wait for the end of the year before you fully depreciate your assets. As you prepare your management account on monthly basis, your depreciation also forms part of your financials, and so you have a better view of your estimates and your financials on monthly basis. Now I'm going to keep computing this. You can see that the period here is 31st March. So I'm going to click on this again so that I can compute for March. So I compute for March. So March has been done. I'll go again and compute for April. Okay, April has been done. Again, I'll compute for May. May has been done. June, I'm trying to bring it up to date. June has been done. Right. I'll compute for July. July has been done. August, we are not yet August 31st. Let's see. August has also been computed. I'm working on the assumption that that assets will be in operation until 31st of August. And so that is it for fixed asset module in XERO accounting. Watch out for more videos on problem solving skills from XERO accounting. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. At the same time, you can like and share. You can reach out to us on the phone numbers provided and the email address there. We implement XERO accounting, we train, and we convert from other accounting softwares to XERO accounting. Thank you for viewing this video. Bye for now.